Of course, home improvement projects are all about putting things together, but home remodeling, redecorating, and renovation also often require taking things apart. I'm talking about demolition, and I want to introduce you to a new tool that will make that process faster and easier.
This is the floor lifter from Zenith Tools. Yes, it's designed to easily get up whole floors, but it does a great deal more. What makes this tool work so amazingly well is this integrated wedge. It does the heavy work so you don't have to. Let me show you what I mean. Used with a hammer, the tool is driven under tough-to-remove ceramic tile. The built-in center wedge applies more and more upward force until the cement bond underneath is broken.
Now I've got the long extension handle on here, and I want to show you just how fast and easy the job can go without breaking your back or bruising your knees.
The floor lifter is also remarkably efficient when it comes to removing nailed or stapled down wood floors. As the tool is driven underneath the flooring, the integrated wedge pries the board loose from the underlayment. By attaching the extension handle, wood floor removal becomes even faster and easier. Often the floor can be pulled up with the fasteners in place, leaving the boards intact. The floor lifter can also be used to remove subflooring.
When it comes to removing trim work, this tool really stands out. It removes molding without damaging either the trim or the wall. It's especially effective at removing wider baseboards. Chair rail, door and window casings, and other moldings come off easily and without damaging the millwork. Adding the extension handle to the floor lifter eliminates the need for a hammer, making baseboard removal even faster and allowing crown molding to be removed without using a ladder.
Exterior wood or vinyl siding can also be removed more quickly and easily.
If you have an outdated popcorn ceiling, well, this is the perfect tool to remove it.
Normally, popcorn ceilings are wet first. This allows the material to release more easily and reduces dust. Using the tool with a painter's extension pole makes it possible to work from the floor and out of the way of falling debris. The floor lifter is a handy tool for leveling base cabinets. Lift the cabinet slightly and slip the edge of the tool underneath. As the end of the tool is tapped, the integrated center wedge lifts the cabinet in small increments until it's level. Insert shims and use the tool as a chisel to cut off the protruding ends. The tool also makes quick work of removing carpet tack strips.
As its name implies, this tool excels at lifting floors. But the truth is, it's a standout for any job that requires pulling, prying, or lifting.